Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I balance the DJI RS3 Mini. Before I continue, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications so that you don't miss any video that I post. Firstly, I'm going to show you 3 things that you must know in the gimbal. This movement is called pan, right? This one is called roll. Let's look it up. This one here called tilt. So it's tilt up and down. This is called tilt. There's this plate here. It is removable. Just have to press this and then you remove this plate. You must note that it has this part here. So this part must be aligned with your lens, right? So now as you can see, this I've installed this plate here. So before you put your camera on the gimbal, you must firstly make sure that you have inserted your lens and also removed anything that is you're not going to need. And also, if it's a zoom lens, make sure you put it on your favorable millimeter. If you have anything that you want to install here, just install it firstly before you put it on your gimbal. There's this lock here, so you're gonna take it and align it with this lock. You have to lock it with this lever. There's this lever here. You have to lock it. So you're gonna unlock. There's this lever here. Loosen it and make sure that your camera is facing upwards. There's numbers here. So you're gonna notice me. I'm moving the camera in a way that it is facing up straight. Let me just shift it a little bit. Yeah, I think it is facing up straight now. So I'm done with this lever. We're coming to this lever here. There's this lever here. Let's unlock it and then shift it forward. As you can see, it's going backward. Shift it forward. It's still going up. The aim is to make sure that it is lined up like this. If you have reached the end and still your camera doesn't do this, what I have to do is to play with these levers here until you are satisfied. Still going up. So after you've done playing with these levers here, you will reach a destination whereby it is now like this. You see, I'm putting up straight. It's going this straight. You're pushing it down. Just stand here. Just stand there. Since it's balancing on the tilt side, you're going to come to this side here and then lock it. We're coming back to this side, rolling side. So what you have to do is to unlock, play with this lever. This lever here, you're gonna unlock it and then move this roll arm here. So it's going this side. I'm going to push it. I'm going to pull it, still going this side. Push it, still going this side. Push it a little bit. So now you will reach a destination whereby it is not moving this side, it is only moving this side. So now it's going this side. So now you can see it is straight. It is straight. So that means the roll part is now balanced. So now we can lock this lever, lock it. Okay, now we're going to work with the pen side now. So what we have to do here, unlock this lever as well. It's moving like this. You hold it like this on the side, and our aim is to make sure that it is this tilt is like, if I'm doing like this, it's not going up, it's not going down, it's just stand straight here. So now as you can see, it's going up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pull this a little bit and lock this lever and see again. Okay, now still a little bit, but as you can see, it's still a little bit that is left now. So still play with this. So now let's see. Okay, so now let's see again. So now as you can see, it is balanced now on the panning side. As you can see, it is balanced now on the panning side. We have to unlock our panning side, rolling side, and also the tilt side, because we remember we have locked it. We've done with this and locked it. We've done this and locked it. So now we have to unlock it before we turn the gimbal on. So now I'm going to unlock here, and then I'm going to unlock the tilt here. So now as you can see, if we're playing with the tilt, you see it's moving, We're playing with the roll, it's moving. We're playing with it's moving. Turn the gimbal on. As you can see, it's turning on now. As you can see, the green shows that the gimbal is balanced. If there's no green sign there, that means your gimbal is not properly balanced. You have to start again and balance it. But for our it's on the green side, that means it is properly balanced. But however, we are not done yet. So what we have to do now, we have to calibrate it so that it is making sure everything is accordingly. So we have to click on calibrate here next to the green button here, calibrate, and then you have, before you start calibrating it, you must make sure that it is in a flat surface, in a balanced surface, so that it can calibrate really well. So now we're gonna start calibrating. We're gonna see it shaking a little bit, So now it's trying to check if all the things are working properly. After this, you're gonna notice a little bit of sound. This sound that you heard, the sound that you've heard now, it's a normal sound from the gimbal. Pen follow, as you can see, it's balanced. Thank you guys for watching up until now. If you have enjoyed this video, please just like it. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.